Chat, I'm back with another trade recap. Today is Monday, No News Monday, August 25th. So yeah, I'm gonna just get right into it. Boom, pull out the replay mode. Boom, 9:25. Boom. Okay, so coming into market open, I was more bullish than I've ever been in my life. We have these equal highs right here. We have quadruple equal highs right here, which is pretty much guaranteed to get hit during New York session or like pre-market because quad equal highs are so rare. They should always get hit. We're not just gonna like leave this. So yeah. Then we have equal highs, triple equal highs. Like the buy side is just insane. Equal highs, triple equal highs. So I was extremely bullish. What I wanted to see at 9:25, I wanted to see us go down. 9:30 juice swing down, resweep these lows, then get an inverse on this leg right here, targeting the equal highs and quad equal highs and higher. This would have been the ideal scenario to like leave this generated liquidity here. Um, but yeah, let's see what happened. Boom. I almost took this on one of my fundeds, this continuation play, just because this draw is so obvious, and we got a good momentum up to it, but I didn't because I would have been mad if it lost, and it would have smacked TP. So that's annoying, but we ended up sweeping these equal highs, these quad equal highs, these two equal highs right here, but we still left triple equal highs right here, and we left some, we made some low resistance liquidity right here. So I was still bullish. We are also still inside of an hourly gap. I don't want to go to it since it's probably gonna like mess up my um, where I'm at. So I'll stay on the 1 minute. But yeah, we reswept this low. So I wanted to see a bullish reaction off this low, and then if we get an inverse here on this 1 minute, I was gonna be in targeting the top of this low resistance liquidity, which is what is this, a 4 a.m. high. So yeah, let's see what happened. Bam, we sweep sell side. We're still in this hourly gap, so we're reacting off it. I'll just go to it real quick. So we're still in this hourly gap. We swept sell side in it. Okay, what the hell is this? Okay, so boom, we swept sell side. At this point, I was like, bet this 1 minute's clean. It's obvious if we get momentum through it, or not even. If we just inverse it, I'll enter. And then let's see what happened. Bam, good momentum candle here. Pretty bullish second candle. And then boom, we inversed it on this. What is this? 1, 2, on the fourth candle. So boom, this was my entry. My stop loss was like right here, since I just wanted to target 1-to-1 at the top of this high right here. Yeah, targeting further would have just been weird. Like, so I was just gonna take all profit at the top of this low resistance liquidity here. Um, yeah, like a stop loss down here would have just been like awful risk to reward. I mean, I guess I could have put my stop down there and targeted here. What is this? I guess this is London highs. So I could have done that, I guess. But yeah, I didn't think of doing that in the moment. I just wanted to get these highs right here. So I had a tight stop. Then let's see what happened. Bang. Okay, hold up. So right here, ES made an SMT with NQ. So I was considering moving break even. But since we had this low resistance liquidity, I assumed I just wanted to get ran. And since I'm just very bullish to these highs, I did not move break even. I just wanted NQ to hit this high to move break even. So yeah. Boom. Unfortunately, my stop gets destroyed. So I did end up losing today. And then what do you know? Right after my stop gets destroyed, TP 30 gets hit right after. So do we keep going up? This is live timer now. So yeah, very unfortunate day. Right trade, right bias, right everything. Just just, I don't know, just got caught up in chop. I could have moved break even here, but I was just bullish. I honestly probably should have moved break even because it's a no news Monday. There's a couple reasons. Because it's a no news Monday. Because my target like isn't that strong. Like yeah, I'm bullish to these highs, but I don't know. Like the only way I shouldn't move break even if it's a data high we're next to, or equal highs we're next to, or I know there's triple equal highs right here, but like they're pretty far over. If the triple equal highs were like right on this candle right here, yeah, I'd hold. But I think it would have been smart to move break even after the SMT. I could have done that or just had my stop at the swing low and targeted London highs up top. So either or, pretty upset with how today went. Especially since the last couple of days I've just been pretty frustrated with school and everything. I think I've just been really stressed the last couple of days, and then this loss just doesn't make it any better. It really sucks. But yeah, also considering my last loss, I got wicked out. Pretty much the same thing happened. I got wicked out. We made like an SMT with ES. NQ swept the low, but ES didn't. So if I took the trade on ES, it would have won. So that's just really annoying. I got wicked out. Then TP12 gets hit right after, back-to-back days. Um, yeah, man. I mean, I could have moved break even. I could have had my stop lower. I guess I could have prevented this loss. But most of the time on my trades, I realized that I don't really go into drawdown. So I assume having like a tighter stop some of the time is fine. But whatever, man. Okay, so I don't really think that the swing low stop was really necessary here. What I think I should have just done was move break even. So I think I should have moved break even considering it's a no news Monday, considering the draw isn't equal highs or LR that we're right next to or data high. So if I could have changed something today, I would have just moved break even and been safe. But yeah, what can you do? That's been the trade recap. I still got a top step I haven't traded on, a top step funded, so I'll probably start trading that. Risk fairly heavy, move break even. Yeah, I'm gonna be strict with my break evens. Um, like I'm pretty much always gonna move break even at the first or second internal high for now on. Um, unless there's equal highs or data highs or LR that we're right next to. So yeah, pretty frustrating, pretty annoying day, but what can you do, man? So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.